Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 5 Python variables and operators from unit 2. Python is a general purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum. It was released in 1991. Python got its name from a BBC comedy series from 70s, that is Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Let's see the key features of Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language. It can be used for both scientific and non-scientific. It is a platform-independent programming language. That means it does not depend any other programming. It can be used with this alone. Programs in Python are easily readable and understandable. These are the features of Python. First one is easy. It is very easy to write and read. It is expressive. Through this code, we can understand the program very well. Free and open source. That means at free of cost, anyone can download from net. High level language. It uses scientific codes, so it is called high level language. Object oriented programming language. That means OOPS concept can be implemented here. We can use function, class, inheritance in this Python programming language. Interpreted. That means it explains the program to the machine language. Dynamically typed. So these codes are very simple and it can be understood better than other coding languages. Extensible. That means we can extend this concept into graphic wise. We can include some graph charts through this Python programming language. Python programs can be written in two ways: interactive mode and script mode. The interactive mode allows to write codes in a command prompt. This 3 greater than symbol is known as command prompt. Python code can be directly typed and interpreter displays the result immediately. That means we cannot save the file and run the program. After we type the code, immediately the result will be printed on the screen through this interactive mode. Interactive mode can also be used as a simple calculator. It helps as a simple calculator. So in this type, we need not to save the file and compile and run the program for our output. After we type the code, we will get the output. The next type is script mode. So we can write the program in the script mode. It can be written and stored as a separate file. We have to save the file with the extension .py and we have to execute the file. Script mode is used to create and edit Python source file. Through this mode, we have to save the file, compile and then run to get the output for the program. So these are the two ways to write a Python program. Let's see how to write Python program in interactive mode. So program code can be directly typed and the interpreter displays the result immediately. The interactive mode can also be used as a simple calculator. Let's see the steps involved to write a program through an interactive mode. First, we have to go to Start, then click All Programs. Python 3.x version will be appear. Through this, we have to click IDLE. The expansion of IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. After, we'll get the icon like this on the desktop. Click it for an interactive mode. This Python program written in an interactive mode. Look at the prompt symbol. The 3 greater than symbol is known as command prompt. The program starts on that line. Print is a function to display the output. In this bracket, we have to give Python programming language within a double quotes. After this statement, the next statement is an output for this line. It prints the output that Python programming language. So that is the use of interactive mode. After we write print function, the result will be printed on the screen immediately. So look at the next command prompt symbol. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20, Z equal to X plus Y. These are the statements. X, Y, Z are the 3 variables. 10 and 20 are the value assigned to the X and Y respectively. Now the expression Z added X and Y. The next statement print is used to display the value of Z. We have to give it in the bracket. The statement within the double quotes will be printed. How did we give? The sum equal to will be printed. The value of Z is 30, so it printed. So this is the way called interactive mode to write a program in a Python. Let's see another way to write a Python program, that is script mode. Script is a text file. It contains Python statements. Python scripts are reusable code. If we once create the script, it can be executed again and again without retyping. The scripts are editable. Interactive mode. In an interactive mode, we cannot be re-execute. But in a script mode, we can compile the program again and again afterwards. That is the help of script mode. Let's see with the example. Look at the example for script mode. After we get into the Python 3.x version, the screen will be appeared. We have to go to the file and get new file. After that, we have to write this code. A equal to 100, B equal to 350, C equal to A plus B. Then print statement. The print statement display the output of C. We can print multiple values. The first is a string value. It enclosed within double quotes. Then put comma for printing another value. So C without double quotes, it is not a string. It prints the value. So what is the value of C? 450. To get the output for this program, we have to save this program and go to run. Then the output will be appeared. In script mode, the prompt symbol will not be appeared. Is it clear? So this is the way to save Python program in a script mode. After we type the code in the screen, we have to save the program. Under file menu we have save option. Click it. After that the save as dialog box will be appeared. This is the save as dialog box. Here we have to give file name with extension, that is .py. We can give any name to our program. Demo1 is the name for this program. So .py is the extension to help to store the program under the particular Python. After save this program, we have to run to get the output. Is it clear? So now can you tell which mode is useful? Either interactive mode or a script mode. Interactive mode just work as a calculator. We cannot save the program. We cannot reuse the program again. But the script mode helps to save the program. We can use it again. So now which is the best one? Script mode. Is it clear? Thank you.